Hey guys, this week we are going to be learning about something really cool in science. So this is a little slide that's going to give us a hint about what we could be learning. So let's take a look. What is that? Yeah, it's the mountains. Ooh, I see the ocean. This is called a desert. Oh my goodness, that's a volcano. Wonder what these things are. Let's see. These are landforms. So we are going to be learning about different kinds of landforms. Let's take a look at some different kinds of landforms. Did you know this is a picture of the mountains? Good job. Mountains have a peak and rise above the surrounding area. Mountains are made of rocks and earth. A mountain is higher than a hill. A long chain of mountains is called a mountain range. Some of the highest mountains are at the bottom of the sea or the bottom of the ocean. Wow, that's really cool. So mountains are something that we all are probably really familiar with because we are so close to the mountains where we live. So I bet a lot of you have even visited the mountains. Sometimes when you're driving along in certain areas, you can see the mountains. Oh, wonder what landform this is. It's a river. Did you know a river is a large flowing body of water? Rivers usually empty into the sea or the ocean. Rivers contain fresh water at 4,132 miles. Wow, that's a lot. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. The direction the river is flowing is called downstream. So rivers are fresh water, and we know that oceans are salt water. So oceans have a little bit of salt in them, whereas a river does not have that. Oh, here's another type of landform. Did you know lakes are large bodies of water that are surrounded by land? Fish, birds, and other animals live in lakes. Many lakes are freshwater. A lake is usually fed by rainwater or melted snow. A lake does not flow like a river. It is a freestanding body of water. So it doesn't flow into an ocean or anything like that. We have some lakes around where we live. One lake I know is Lake Hartwell. Lake Hartwell is in South Carolina, and part of it is in Georgia, our neighboring state. I bet some of you guys have even visited different lakes. Did you know an ocean is a large body of salt water? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth, covering 30% of the Earth's surface. More than 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Dolphins, shrimp, jellyfish, and octopus live in the ocean. Challenger Deep is the deepest point in the ocean. It is 6.86 miles deep. Wow, that's cool. I bet a lot of you guys have also visited an ocean. The ocean on the coast of South Carolina is the Atlantic Ocean. So it is not the biggest ocean like the Pacific. The Pacific is on the other side of the United States near California, Washington, and Oregon. We have the Atlantic Ocean. Here's some other landforms. A hill is a landform. We learned that the mountains are much taller than hills. A peninsula, the state of Florida is a peninsula. It is a body, a land that is surrounded by water on all sides but one. Mountains, we talked about those. An island is surrounded by water on all sides. Valleys, the plains, and the desert. So these are all different types of landforms we will be studying about.